Critical Infrastructure Security Training Kit. Critical infrastructure include vital systems like the transport, water, oil, gas and electricity. These systems and assets are so vital that their incapacity or destruction would have a debilitating impact on security, national economic security, public health or safety or any combination of those matters. With advancements in communication technologies, critical infrastructure interconnected with IT systems increases the attack surface for attackers. Proposed training kit provides a realistic SCADA environment for users to conduct attacks and understand the behavior of the SCADA environment. The training kit provides the live virtual and constructive SCADA network environment, guidelines to build and simulate the network topology utilizing SCADA components, red teaming attack stack to realize attacks on the SCADA network and protocol level, SCADA protocol anomaly detector, SPADE, supporting IEC 104 and Modbus protocols and training approach based on the competency level of the security expert. This would benefit individuals at different competency levels of security, that is, Level 1 with basic knowledge, Level 2 with essential knowledge, Level 3 with expert knowledge and Level 4 functioning as technical leaders. Plus, for generating security awareness and organizational training and security professionals. This training kit is designed and developed by Real Time Systems Group of C-DAC Bangalore. We thank Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, for providing research funds for the development. We also thank C-Spark for supporting this initiative for productization and go to the market.